Welcome to Amina-Pro. You need to watch this if you struggle with stubborn body fat. Are you tired of struggling with stubborn body fat, endless diets, and feeling drained of energy? Well, you're not alone. Stop doing endless diets. Do Fast Lean Pro instead. Imagine a world where you could unlock the benefits of fasting without actually having to fast. Sounds incredible, right? Introducing Fast Lean Pro. Fast Lean Pro is a revolutionary formula designed to activate your body's natural fasting switch, turning your metabolism into a powerful fat-burning machine. With its unique blend of 6 scientifically backed ingredients, Fast Lean Pro works to boost metabolism, enhance cellular rejuvenation, and promote sustained energy, all without drastic changes to your diet. Thousands are already experiencing the transformation, shedding unwanted pounds, feeling energized, and regaining confidence. Fast Lean Pro has changed the game for me. I can feel the difference every day, and I didn't need to give up my favorite foods. And the best part, it's as simple as adding Fast Lean Pro to your daily routine. Mix it in your morning coffee, tea, or even water, and start your journey to a healthier, leaner you. Take the first step to transforming your body and mind. Join the Fast Lean Pro community and experience the benefits of effortless wellness. Fast Lean Pro. Activate your potential. Embrace the new you. Check the link in my description for a 50% discount.